Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Imagine AI Art Generator, how to use Imagine AI Art Generator. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. If you're not familiar with this tool or website, this is an incredible tool that will transform your text into beautiful AI generated images. With it, you can effortlessly create inspiring artwork and explore the endless possibility of AI generated visual. So as you can see, you'll just have to put it in here like this: brown elk in a forest meadow minimal ink doodle art, and you're gonna go ahead and try to generate it. So here are some of the inspirations that you could go ahead and try out to generate on Imagine AI Art. So here onto their website, you'll just have to search imagine.art onto your local browser so that you'll get redirected to this, and you should see a quick preview on how the generation works. So this platform has an impressive user base of over 6 million users and has processed more than 70 million images. So it is actually an incredible resource for unleashing your creativity. So as you can see in here, you could explore the AI image generator tools for creating captivating AI generated art, explore a world of infinite inspiration, and take your artworks to the new heights with our AI image generator tools. So this is what you could see in here. So we have here the text to image, wherein it transforms your words into stunning AI visuals with the text to image feature, the image remix that will add creativity to your photos and turn them into beautiful artworks, the in painting, which is still coming soon, say goodbye to unwanted objects, clear with our AI in painting feature, and the expand image, wherein you could expand your horizon with our AI expand image feature, and the background replace, transform your photos with our AI background replace feature. So actually, these three features that I mentioned, the background replace, and painting and expand, is still coming soon. So Imagine Art is still currently on its upgrade. So we'll just have to wait for the certain features in here to come out so that we could make use onto it as well. So as you can see, you could see Imagine's potential unfold and create captivating art on their text to art generator. So here are some of the samples that are done by other users. So you could browse through them so that you could get some inspiration. And onto what I've mentioned earlier, it has the user base of 6 million, Discord community of 38,000, and images processed to 70 million. So endless possibilities, just imagine. Now for you to be able to get started in here, you should just head onto the website, and once you're already here onto this website, you'll just have to click on to generate to get started in here, or go to the dashboard. Now, right after you click on to generate, you'll have an option to sign in with your Imagine account to continue, or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So let's start with signing up in here, so that will walk you through onto creating an account on AI Magic Tools. So once you click onto sign up, you'll get redirected onto this page where it gives you an option to sign up to Viro. So by signing up, you should agree to the privacy and policy and terms, and you'll have the option to use your Google account, Facebook account, Discord account, and you could try to enter your email address and then click on to continue. So personally, I like to use the sign up with Google feature so that I don't have to memorize all of my email, my password. I'll just have to click onto the Google account that I want to use. So if you have an account already, there is also a sign in button, and the same process, you'll have the option to sign in with Google, Facebook, Discord, add in your email, and then continue. Now let's just go ahead and click on the sign in with Google. Now, once you've gone ahead and successfully signed in, you could see the dashboard already in here. So you could see a quick preview onto the text to image feature, and you could also explore the different tools that we've gone ahead and discussed earlier. So you could get inspired also onto the different creations that are done by other users in here. So you could get some imaginations in here, or you could spark your creativity by just looking onto this photo. So here onto the left side, you should be able to see the AI magic tools, which is new, the Imagine API, some community showcase. So you could see the different photos that are generated by the community, the personal feed, wherein your own personal feed. You could also see your subscription, and here you could manage that, and the customer support. And if you're ready to go beyond this free plan, you could go ahead and upgrade to premium features. Just go ahead and click on the view plans so that we could go ahead and compare the different subscriptions that they have. Now you could choose for the plan to be weekly or yearly. So onto yearly, we have here the free one, which we are currently using. So this is for newcomers exploring with limited features and image generation. So we have also the standard, which is seamless Android and web access, expanded capabilities for $99 per year. And a serious user for personal commercial images enhanced features with basic for $70 per year. So you could go ahead and scroll down to see what is included onto those different plans. And if you found what you're looking for, you'll just go ahead and try to subscribe to it. So here onto the bottom part as well, onto the subscription or plans, you could see the frequently asked questions. So you could find some answers that you're looking for in here. So you could see what is really imagined. How can you use the image generated by the platform, the payment options, if there is a free trial, how do you cancel the plan, upgrade or downgrade the current plan, and what is Imagine's refund policy. So you could browse with that, and if you need more answers to your questions, you could just go ahead and click or reach out to the customer support team. You could see also this one onto the left side. Now, here onto the upper part, you should be able to see this button in here or icon where you go ahead and change the theme of your website. So you have the day view or the night view. Beside that one should be the account settings where it gives you an option to sign out of your device. So let's go back here onto the AI magic tools that we have. So let's explore the text to image feature in here. Let's just go ahead and click on to generate art. Now here, you'll get redirected onto another page where it gives you an option already to edit your photo. So you have here the text image feature. So we're currently onto it right now. And this is where you will describe what you want to see onto your photos with phrases, and you could separate them with commas. So beside this is the image remix and the coming soon features that we discussed earlier. And you could see also the different collections that you have here onto the left side. Now going here onto the right side, you should be able to see the aspect ratio. So ratio is selected by default, the 1:1, and this is determined by the dimensions of the generated result. So note that different ratios may affect the content of the generated images. Now we have also in here the models. So AI art models determine what kind of images the AI art generator can produce. So model can have a specific style, aesthetic, or understanding that comes from the art style. So as you can see in here, if you just click onto this, you should be able to see the different models that it offers. So we could try to use this anime V2. We'll just have to simply click onto that. Now we also have the art styles, which allows users to generate images using a specific style. So these are predefined styles made by the team. So you could add in a style in here, you could choose which is popular, and you could see some favorites in here, and you could browse through all of them, and you could also utilize the search bar. So if you want to have this onto high resolution, you could click onto that. And we have also the negative prompt in here, so you could type in some text so that you should be able to define or tell the AI that you don't want to see this onto your certain photo. We also have the CFG scale, which adjusts how much the image will be like your prompt. So the higher values will keep your image closer to your prompt. Now we also have the step scale, which is the value results in higher output quality but will take a longer time to generate the results. So let's just leave this as it is. And we also have the seeds in here, which are different numbers, results in new variations of your output image. Now let's try to go ahead and try to generate something in this. So let's type in a prompt. Now since the chosen model that we have is for anime, let's have this prompt in here, which is create a stunning anime character with vibrant colorful hair and a mysterious enchanting expression. So let's try to generate in here, and let's try to see what it will give us. Now as you can see, here are the photos that it generated. So it really did create a stunning anime character in here. Now we could try to go ahead and try to readjust the prompts in here. Let's remove this colorful hair, and let's try to add in here blue, then long hair. And let's try to see if it will change. So let's click on to generate again. Now as you can see, here is the photo that generated. It really did change from a colorful hair to a long blue hair. So you could experiment with different art styles in here to see which one suits your prompt best. So for example, you could go ahead and try to change the models in here. We could go ahead and also use this Imagine V4. We could add in some styles also in here if you want to do so. For example, we want to have the cinematic render, and right after we could remove this anime character. We'll just have to create a character in here, and we're gonna go ahead and try what it will give us. So let's try to click on the generate again, and you could also go ahead and try to adjust the CFG scale in here so that you could customize as well what you could see onto your generation. So let's go ahead and click on the generate. Now, as you can see, from an anime character, we have gone ahead and received a stunning character with a vibrant blue long hair and a mysterious enchanting expression. So I kind of like how this one turned out, and once you're satisfied already with your image, you could go ahead and try to click onto the download button in here, or you could go ahead and expand this to have a closer look for this. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and seen it in a closer look, and you could also delete the image if you don't like its generation. And that's how you use Imagine AI Art Generator to create amazing AI generated images, so you could play around with the different prompts, art styles to discover the perfect image for your needs. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.